task number 6, RSA Rivest Shamir Adleman. This task is part of the Encryption Crypto 101 module, which is part of the complete beginner path on TryHackMe. The maths inside RSA is based on the mathematically difficult problem of working out the factors of a large number. It's very quick to multiply two prime numbers together, say 17 multiplied by 23, which is 391, but it's quite difficult to work out what two prime numbers multiply together to make 13,351. Here we have the reference. The attacking side, and we know prime numbers are just numbers like 1. It's 13. It's 1 and itself. That's a prime number. The attacking side, the maths behind RSA seems to come up relatively often in CTFs, normally requiring you to calculate variables or break some encryption based on them. The Wikipedia page for RSA seems complicated at first, but will give you almost all the information you need in order to complete challenges. There are some excellent tools for defending RSA challenges defeating RSA challenges in the CTFs. And my personal favorite is this GitHub. We have the RSA CTF tool, which was worked very well for me. I've also had some success with the RSA tool. Here you can see the GitHub for them. The key variables that you need to know about for RSA in CTFs are P, Q, M, N, E, D, and C. P and Q are large prime numbers. N is the product of P and Q. The public key is N and E. The private key is N and D. M is used to represent the message in plain text, and C represents the ciphertext encrypted text. CTFs involving RSA crypto CTF challenges often presents you with a set of these values, and you need to break the encryption and decrypt a message to retrieve the flag. There's a lot more maths to RSA, and it gets quite complicated fairly quickly. If you want to learn the math behind it, I recommend reading Model and Oracle blog. Model and Oracle's blog posted here. Here you can see it, and you can access this URL. Answer the questions below. What is N? We have P and Q. If we go over here, are large prime numbers. N is the product of P and Q. Calculator. 4391. 66. What was the 6659? 292-396-69. 292-396-69. I understand enough RSA to move on, and I know where to look to learn more if I want to. Yeah, cool.